Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Park on level ground, engage parking brake and block rear wheels. Disconnect the battery and lower rear hatch weight to avoid electrical or latch issues. Use a 2-ton jack to lift one corner, then place two 2-ton jack stands under rated lift points. Never rely on a jack alone. Gather tools, spring compressor, 14 mm and 17 mm sockets, breaker bar, and torque wrench. Wear eye protection and gloves, and keep the compressed spring positioned away from your body. With the wheel installed but vehicle supported, slightly loosen the lower strut knuckle bolts to prevent the hub from rotating. Raise the vehicle, remove the wheel, and support the control arm with a secondary jack to maintain alignment. Detach sway bar link and any ABS sensor clips. Remove the lower fasteners fully, then reach into the engine bay and remove the top mount nuts from the strut tower. Lower and withdraw the complete strut assembly carefully, keeping it upright to avoid spring tension shifts. Compress the spring on the new strut with a spring compressor until the spring seat clears the mount, aiming for a 1.5 inches visible gap to ensure safety. Assemble the strut mount hardware and carefully transfer the compressed spring and strut into the strut tower. Hand thread the top mount nuts, then lower the control arm and install the lower bolts. Torque all fasteners to manufacturer specification using a torque wrench, reconnect sway link and sensors, reinstall the wheel, lower the vehicle, and perform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.